tell dreams from truth. For it's been so long since I have seen you. I can hardly remember your face anymore. When I get really lonely and the distance causes all silence, and I think of you smiling with pride in your eyes, a lover that sighs. If you want me, satisfy me. If you want me, satisfy me. Are you really sure that you believe me when others say I lie? I wonder if you could ever despise me when others know I really try to be the better one to satisfy you. For you're everything to me, and I'll do what you ask of me if you'd only let me be free.